This is GATE 2016 set 2 electrical question number 17. A 550 MVA 10 kV 50 Hz star connected unloaded 3-phase alternator has a synchronous reactance of 1 per unit and a sub-transient reactance of 0.2 per unit. If 3-phase short circuit occurs to the generator terminals, ratio of initial and final values of sinusoidal component of the short circuit current is being asked. For NPTEL reference, you can refer to lecture number 25, short circuit analysis of the NPTEL course Power System Analysis by Professor A.K. Sinha, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur. Since we know that this generator voltage is 1 per unit, and if the internal impedance XS, then if the fault is occurring to the generator terminals, then this fault current is IF equal to 1 by XS. So the fault current in per unit is proportional to 1 by XS in per unit. So this is the formula you need to remember. Now, given subtransient reactance 0.2 and synchronous reactance of 1 per unit, so in one case it is 0.2 and 1 per unit. So this is the value of subtransient and this is the value of synchronous reactance. Initial and final value ratio is being asked. So subtransient is the initial stage, so I initial will be inversely proportional, so I initial goes down, and this is I steady state, that is final value. So the ratio will be initial and final ratio is being asked, so implies I initial divided by I final equal to 1 by 0.2 equal to 5. So the answer is 5. The ratio is 5.